Hi, I'm Jeremy, and this is Toys to the Max. On today's episode, we're going to be opening a couple packs of Pokemon tins. Right, Max?
Yep.
All right. Let's get these going. We're going to set this up, and we're going to start opening up some packs.
Daddy, let's do this one first. I like this one.
Oh, we can do that one first. That's not a problem. Okay, so we'll leave this one here. Let's check this one out. Okay, I got the scissors. Got it. First try, eh?
Yeah, I want to.
Okay, go ahead, pull it off.
I did it. Hey, me.
Oh, sorry. Here, pull it from the top. Pull it from the top. Nice. Okay, let's pop it off. I'll open it because these are a little bit snug. Wow, who's this guy?
I don't know.
Let me see.
It's the bad guys. It's the bad guys.
Dawn Wings Necrozoma. I don't know who that is, but hey, it looks pretty cool.
Daddy, here.
Oh, show the camera. That's right, show the camera. Oh, Steam Siege. These are a Steam Siege pack.
Yeah.
Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion, Ultra Prism. What's in this one?
Oh, yeah.
What else do we got? Fates Collide and another Steam Siege. Okay, here. I'll take the garbage on this side, buddy. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna open the first pack here.
Yep.
Okay. So this is a Steam Siege pack. You want to show everybody on the big camera? Tell them, check it out. Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out.
Is there anybody you want to say hi to today?
Hi.
Anybody specific you want to say hi to?
Right here.
No, on the big camera.
Hi, Nana.
Okay, nice. Shout out to his Nono and Nana. Alright, okay, the first pack. Let's see what we're working with. Right? Hold on. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. I think it's the fourth one. I don't know if that works.
Wait, so it's in here.
I seen it. Who?
Wait, so it's in here.
I don't think so, not in this one. Okay, we got a Spirit Bomb.
No, see her?
Nidoran.
You see her in the camera?
No way. Come on.
See her?
No.
No, in the little camera?
No, don't see her in the little camera.
No, right here.
Oh, let me see. No.
No, in the white camera.
I looked. I didn't see nothing.
No.
Look at Max. Look at this card. Whoa.
Yeah.
Look at. You don't have to grab everything, eh?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at how shiny it is.
Yeah.
What's this one? A Xerneas.
Hey.
Why do you always gotta grab everything from me?
Sun, yes.
Nice. Okay, here, put it here. We gotta open up another pack.
Yeah.
Keep it moving. What's this? Let's see. Oh, a Fates Collide. Show the camera. Fates Collide. You're gonna fall off your chair. Here, move over. Here you go. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get this one open. Okie dokie. Max, is there something you want to tell everybody? Yeah, tell them. No? Hey, oh, tell them. Okay. Make sure you like the video.
Like the video and subscribe to the video and press that button.
You gotta tell them. Look at the camera and tell them. You gotta tell them. Remember, you gotta like this video.
Like this video and subscribe
To our channel.
And
Hit that button.
hit that button.
Good job. That's good. Couldn't have said it better myself. Wow, these are pretty cool cards, eh?
Oh my god. What's this one?
A Mega Catcher.
Mega Catcher.
Put this one.
What's this one?
What's that one? I can't see. You keep moving it. You keep moving like you're on a roller coaster. The Dujin?
I do shit.
I think. Genghis Khan.
Thank Genghis Khan, Genghis Khan,
Carbink,
Kabink, Kabink,
Fennekin.
Fingen, Fingen,
I think it's a Solicus.
Sauces, Sauces,
Riolu.
Realu,
Spoink.
we got to get this.
Blastoise. We're gonna try. Oh, look at the shiny Meowth.
Yeah.
Barbicle.
Okay.
No, nothing good. Nothing good, eh? Nothing that interests you?
Daddy,
Yeah.
let's do this one. And this is my favorite.
Okay, that's your favorite?
Tell me what's this?
This one is Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion.
Sun and Moon Poison,
Invasion.
Invasion,
Crimson Invasion.
Crimson Invasion.
Yeah, it's close enough. Here, sit in the middle of your chair. Good job. Good job. Here, let me open it. All right. Shh, you hear that? Yep, there's a good one in here. I could hear it. I can hear it.
Yeah. It might be this one.
Oh, we're hoping. Are we hoping that's what we're getting?
Yeah. I think it's waterproof and this guy.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Kakuna.
Oh no.
Who's that one? Oh. Trainer.
Trainer.
Stuffle.
Stuffle.
Phoebus.
Venus. Let me do it.
Okay, here. Look here. You show the camera.
The star.
No way.
We can get this.
No way.
Yeah.
That's cool. What's that? Was that a shiny one?
No.
Oh, the next one is.
I don't know what's this one. It might be it. No.
Oh. This is like the one we got, but it's just a holographic.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, we've got one pack left.
Yeah.
Okay, Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. Say that one.
Sun and Moon Prism.
Ultra Prism.
Ultra Prism.
Ultra Prism. Ultra. Say Ultra.
Ultra
Prism. Okay, close enough. Give me this back. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. It's open. That's it. It's open. It's open. Do you want to say thank you to anybody?
No, Mom.
I know, but you want to say thanks to Mom for buying you all these Pokemon cards?
Thanks, Mom. Thanks for buying these.
Nice, eh? She's good, Mama.
You're welcome.
Whoa. I didn't know there was people in the studio.
What?
There's people in the studio. She was in the studio, obviously. You can hear her in the background.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's crazy, yeah?
You're
Okay.
in my kitchen.
Hey. What?
You hear that again? I didn't hear it. Okay, we got a leaf energy.
What?
Okay?
What did you say?
Nothing. She didn't say nothing. She said, have fun.
In the kitchen?
Yeah. In the kitchen. Have fun in the kitchen. Where are we filming? Are we filming in the studio?
Yeah.
This is our studio, right? Look at some of your toys. You want to talk about some of your toys?
Yeah. No.
Who's this guy?
What's so I buy Bowser?
That's. Oh, you want to show everybody Bowser?
Yeah.
Okay, pull him down.
Can you help?
Yeah. We got him right here. Oh, well, how about we put Bowser on the table?
Yeah.
Okay, for the rest of the openings.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Bowser.
You like Bowser? Is he your favorite Bowser?
Yeah.
Better than Mario, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. That's cool. Okay, let's get back to the cards. We're almost done this pack.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the energy, Prinapult, a unit energy, Alolan, Doug Trio, Turtwig. Hold on, you gotta say the name. No, try it.
I sound it. Evie. He's so gruesome. Look at Tom. What's this?
I don't even know that one.
It's a rocks.
No way.
It's a dinosaur with this.
Wow. Here, go up on your knees. And an Executor.
Executor.
Wow. Okay, we're done that one. That was a pretty cool one.
Yeah.
Anything exciting?
No.
No, just the one shiny card we got?
Yep.
Okay. Raichu. That's a Raichu.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
What?
It's a Raichu. We got a Raichu card.
Yeah. 1, 2 card.
Yeah. Let's open up this one now.
Yeah. And see
Who are we trying to get?
this guy in the water.
You just want a Blastoise or something? No Charizard? Here. You keep sliding around on me. Sit on your knees. There you go. Good job. Here, I'll pop it open for you. There you go. Oh.
It's the sparkly one.
Yeah, I know. The Raichu.
It's this one, guys.
Oh, Mew?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Wow.
What's this one?
Wow, these are Hidden Fates cards. Those are cool, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put that there. Okay, let's set these up. Like this.
This one.
Okay, we're gonna open up Mewtwo first. All right. Mewtwo it is. Okay, now we're going after that shiny Charizard. Here, sit up on your chair, buddy. Here, keep sliding. You don't want to fall down, do you? Okay.
See if we get YouTube or someone that.
No, Mewtwo, not YouTube. I know this is YouTube we're on, but it's not. Like it's his name is Mewtwo. I threw the pack away, but yeah. Okay, we got the energy. Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay, you gotta hold it right over top of Blastoise's face and open it so the cameras can see. Okay, energy. Yeah. Scyther, Magmar, Charmeleon, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans. Oh, Genghis Khan. That was at the back, but it's okay. See where that goes. Geodude, Cubone, and that reverse Metapod. Okay, let's open up another pack.
Yep.
That was a fun one. Who's in there?
I don't know. Maybe this or this one or this.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
It was. I missed this one.
Okay, ready? What energy do you think it is?
Wonderful.
Water. Oh, it's the leaf. Almost got it. Nice try. Okay, I'm gonna do this pack, okay?
No.
Or do you want to do it? Okay, I'm gonna hold them. You just pull them off. Yep. So we got the leaf energy. What's that one? Okay. There you go. Metapod, Ekans, Paris, Caterpie, Charmander,
Thank you.
Clefairy, and Psyduck, and a non-hollow Snorlax.
I like this one.
What's he doing?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping under a tree?
Yeah, he's sleeping
He's such a silly guy, eh?
He's sleeping under the tree.
Okay. Alright. Max, well, on one of the next videos, what do you want to open up a toy or you want to do more Pokemon cards? Maybe we'll see what we can get. Eh? Maybe we'll see what we can get. Yeah, smile. Smile at everybody out there. Okay, you ready? Let's see what we got. Ready? Hold on, I gotta do the trick. Look, watch. Okay, that's the trick.
Hey,
What energy do you think it is?
And that's waffle.
Waterproof? What? Waterproof, baby. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna do these ones this time. Focus Trap, Lieutenant Surge Strategy, Magmar, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee. Wow, Scyther and a Jesse James. These are some cool cards.
What's this one?
That's the bad guys, Team Rocket. These are some cool ones, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we got one pack left.
One pack
One
left.
pack left.
Bella
Tell-
says
tell-
gonna do it.
Oh, we're gonna let Bowser open it?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Watch, I'll go like this. Oh, careful. Go like that. Here, rip it open with your mouth, Bowser. Look at it. He ripped it open with his mouth. Holy smokes.
Now he's gonna do it.
No, I don't think he can.
Bruh. He's gonna do it.
Yeah?
with me.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna do the card trick. Here, let's fix the mat. There we go. Go like this, put them up there. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what energy? What energy? Come on, think.
Water.
Oh, lightning.
I don't know.
Okay. Put it over here. Put it down a little bit. Put it down a little bit. There you go.
This.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
guy.
Snorlax. And what's the last one? Put it over the table.
I don't know.
And a wheezing.
I don't know.
That's okay. We got a couple pretty good cards today, eh?
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now we are all done.
Now we're all done. What are you going to say to everybody?
Thanks for watching and hit that like button to subscribe. Bye.
Bye!